What is up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Bob here, back at it again with another video for you guys. And as you guys could tell by the title of today's video, I'm about to be installing another wig. Yes, another one. But this wig is going to be my back to school hairstyle. So I'm actually very excited, but I'm also very nervous because this hairstyle, I never had this hairstyle before, and I'm going to be doing it by myself because y'all know I do my own hairstyle. So as you can also tell by the title of this video is sponsored by Unice Hair. Unice, I'm gonna just say Unice. This video is sponsored by Unice Hair. They sent me another one of their wigs I'm about to show y'all. As y'all already know, this is what their packaging looks like. And on the back, it just shows you how to measure the wigs, how to take care of the wigs, how to wash the wigs, yeah, all of that. All that good stuff that is helpful and useful. They sent me this 26-inch, I believe, curly wig. I don't know how much density it is. I'll have to go check back in my email for that. But I'm about to show you guys what sent me, what comes in the box and all of that. So you already know Unice Hair packaging always comes in great. So I'm about to show you. So they sent me some goodies. Ooh, are those earrings? I see. Okay, so the first thing here are some earrings. The next thing that are in here is, you know, they always send some lashes. So they sent me some more false lashes, and it says Unice eyelashes. And they also sent me another comb, and they sent me some wig caps, but this wig cap is black. But I'm not going to be using this wig cap in today's video because I don't use black wig caps. So, but I don't know what this is. I think this is where I could put the hair. So they sent me this bag or whatever. I could probably put. I'm done with the hair. I'm gonna put it in here. The last thing that comes in the box, which is the wig. So this is the wig. I'm pretty sure this wig is pre-plucked and it already comes with the baby hairs. I don't know if this wig is already bleached, but you know Unice Hair always comes through. So yeah, this is 26 inches, they said. Oh, I love this curl pattern. I forgot what type of curly hair this is, but when I know, I'll tell y'all. So this is a medium brown Swiss lace. So yeah, like I said, this wig does come pre-plucked. I don't know if y'all can see that. It comes pre-plucked, as it should. It comes with all the combs. You can also glue it from the back. And this is just the curl pattern itself. This feels so good. So yeah, Unice Hair didn't disappoint me the first time, so I'm pretty sure they're not going to disappoint me this time. So we're going to install this wig and see how this looks on me. So you already know I always come through with the discount code. My discount code will be on the screen, also in the description box down below. But they also wanted me to let you guys know and show y'all how to use the discount code. So I'm about to show y'all how to apply the discount code and all of that. Okay, y'all, so my discount code will be on the screen and also in the description box down below, so you guys could use my special code to get money off. But as soon as you guys pick whatever wig you want, the density, color if you like, all that good stuff, the inches, all of that, yeah. On this page where it says order confirmation, you're going to go down to where it says order summary, and it's going to it's in a little box, as you can see. So above where it says total is going to say promo code, and where the red box is showing, you have to enter the code there. So you're going to type in the code that I have for you guys, which will be on the screen, also in the description box down below. You're going to put the code in, and that should give y'all money off y'all orders. I'm pretty sure you can use this code of money off anything on their site, so that's a good deal. So if you don't want to pay the full price, just get money off. So yeah. Okay, so now that y'all know how to apply the discount code when ordering hair from them, make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit the post notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos by your girl. And let's hop into this video because I'm filming this video the day before school. So school's actually tomorrow, but y'all gonna see this later on in the week. So yeah, let's hope this hairstyle turn out right. Let's hop straight into this video. Okay, so if y'all catch me looking over here, I'm actually looking at the mirror because I put my mirror in front of me this time so I could see better, because like I cannot mess up. I cannot afford to mess up today. So But for y'all, I already know y'all finna come through with the head joke, but you know, I'm used to it now. So I'm about to put some alcohol on my forehead to get all this glue off my forehead before I put the makeup on. But if y'all want a tutorial on how to melt down y'all wigs and stuff like that, let me know, because it's about time people start learning how to do their own hair and install their own wigs. It will save you so much money. Like, I promise you, when I learned how to install wigs, it was literally from YouTube, and now I'm doing this like it's nothing. Like, it's easy to install wigs now, and I don't gotta pay nobody no money to install no wig. You are literally saving money right now. I found some makeup in my bathroom. Let's see if this color matches a little bit, because I could never find a makeup that matches my skin, but this has to be close enough. I'm about to put some makeup in this wig right quick. You know, we're gonna put this wig on. Oh, I really melted. I really did that. Don't do not play with me, like, at all. Like, ooh, I'm about to, I turned my hot comb off because I didn't really need it, but I think I'm gonna need it again. I have to most definitely do the top of my hair. I think I'm gonna fix the parting. I don't really like it, but what I'm gonna do right now is get these edges out, and then I'm gonna part my hair. So y'all gonna see what hairstyle I'm doing in a minute. But
damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you do?
cash. Yeah, got me some. I ain't fussing yesterday. I'm a fuck sign. Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order both phone out of blueberry Fago. Falls moving, we straight to the snow shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up on fucking shit. That's how it goes. Big bitch gon' come straight. One bad bitch and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order both phone out of blueberry Fago. Falls moving.
This is basically what I got. I don't know, I'm just trying to make sure that I'm parting this right. And I'm really gonna just cut these edges down because, well, I don't know, should I? I'm finna wait. What I'm trying to do is these 2 braids in the front, but I'm just trying to make sure that this hair is parted right. I don't want one side to be bigger than the other one, you know what I mean? So this feels like this has a lot of more hair than the other side, so I think I got it.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order both phone out of blueberry Fago. Falls moving, we straight to the snow shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up on fucking shit.
Okay, y'all, so this is the first braid. This is actually my first attempt trying. I'm gonna probably redo the front because, like, I don't like it. But, like, the braid overall is good. But what I'm finna do is do the second. I'm gonna do this braid and I'm gonna see how that turns out.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order both phone out of blueberry Fago. Falls moving, we straight to the snow shit. 2 small bands just to take you out.
I really just did that. Like, do not play with me. These braids are giving, like, y'all see that? Purr. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet the back of my hair. But what I wanted to do was, I don't know if I should, like, put the braids, like, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. So, like, let's say if I put my hair down like this, I don't know if I want to leave them down, tie them back like this, but that's gonna be ugly. So I'm gonna put them under my hair. Oh! This is cute. Okay, my hot comb is getting hot. Okay, so what I don't know what I want to do. Okay, oops. Oh, I don't want to mess up the braid. So now I'm fun to wet my hair.
Today, I'm a fuck sign. Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order both phone out of blueberry Fago. Falls moving, we straight to the snow shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up on fucking shit. That's how it goes. Big bitch gon' come straight. One bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order both phone out of blueberry Fago. Falls moving, we straight to the snow shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up on fucking shit. That's how it goes. Big bitch gon' come straight. Today, I'm a fuck sign. Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order both phone out of blueberry Fago. Falls moving, we straight to the snow shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up on fucking shit.
Y'all do not play with me. Like, I look good. These edges are giving. Y'all do not play with me. Okay, I need some more wax so I can lay this down. Or I'm gonna probably bobby pin it. But this is the hair. Unice hair. I'm loving it. Like, literally though, This is my first time attempting this hairstyle and it looks mad good. Like, I literally snapped. I hope you guys enjoyed me installing this beautiful wig. Like, it came out bomb. Like, make sure you guys don't forget to use my code. It will be on the screen, also in the description box down below, along with the link to this hair, the link to their website, and just everything like contact info, all of that. So make sure you guys check my description box down below. If you guys want to buy the same exact hair that I have on right now, the link will be in the description box down below, along with my coupon code, the link to this website, their contact information, everything is going to be in the description box down below. So make sure you guys check my description box. But babe, this looks good. And yeah, love y'all. Stay safe.